This is my 2014 Dodge Promaster 3500 with the raised ceiling, extended body. One of the cool things about this van is you can wrap the doors all the way around the side of the vehicle. I did most of the work on this van, including the floor, which is 3/4 inch plywood with a rubber top. The aluminum bed frame is adjustable to 2 different levels, and it is also removable. When the platform is in the higher position, I can park my Harley underneath and a few bicycles. There is also a roof vent up above that turns with a screw knob. Above and below the bed platform are sliding doors with some shelves behind them. Behind this sliding door is the breaker panel with 20 amp breakers, which power the AC, and when the AC is used, with all the insulation I've done in this van, it turns this thing into an icebox. The custom aluminum roof rack is made by a company in San Diego called Aluminous Products. I installed the top of the line fantastic vent that comes with a remote that automatically opens and closes. The fan has forward and reverse. It has a rain sensor that closes when the rain touches it, and it comes with a thermostat that turns it on or off. Just below the gas cap, I installed the fresh water inlet, which connects a hose to 4 10-gallon tanks, giving you a total of 40 gallons. And just in front of that, I installed a 7-gallon propane tank with a remote filler and bleeder valve. I bought some vinyl wrap from Amazon to give it this cool look, which easily peels off. On the exterior next to the ladder is the electrical inlet plug, which goes to the breaker panel and then powers the air conditioning unit. The van also has a tow package with 2 types of plugs. It also has a trailer brake control unit. This shows the 2 side windows that I've cut in, and also the crazy insulation I've done in this van. The reason why I choose the Promaster over all the other vans is because of the low center of gravity. It's excellent on turns because it's much wider than most of the vans. And being a tall person, I can stand up anywhere in the back versus my old Ford Econoline. Me and my wife have taken some amazing road trips in this van, including Burning Man, and we've been down to Baja twice in the last 2 years. There's not much left to complete this van if you wish to put in a little kitchen counter, and my plan was going to be a fully enclosed shower and a refrigerator. We really don't want to get rid of this van, but we recently purchased a 5th wheel and we need a big, heavy, full-size truck to tow it.